Hey Air Canada traders and investors, it's Rod with POW Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for an Air Canada stock review. In this video, we're just going to go over the chart and what I expect into the end of the week and what I'm seeing. I actually took a position as well. So before we jump into AC stock review, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. So we broke monthly resistance today. We're in a monthly uptrend, and this is the first time since back in March, so we're seeing significant momentum shifts here in this recovery stock, and we're back above the EMAs on the monthly. We closed the day at the high of the day, and looks like it once more. We're in a daily uptrend, while SPY, the S&P 500, has been in a daily downtrend, so the opposite. EMA 12 has been rock solid support, which is sitting at 2661, so if we were to lose that, that would be notable. I'm in a position, I played the monthly resistance break and set my stop below the low of the day today. So if we break the low of the day tomorrow, daily consolidation will be underway and I'll be stopped out. Again, just a smaller position to account for the risk. But like I said, lack of resistance on the monthly. We're in a monthly uptrend and a lack of resistance up until all-time highs at $52. So I'm essentially setting a stop loss of about 10%. We could see a bull cross of these EMA 12 and 26 as well. We have earnings coming up in the first week of May, but that's a while away. And I don't plan on holding through earnings because I don't think it's going to be very good. Let me know in the comments below what you think the earnings will be like coming up in May. But like I said, lack of resistance, I'm allowing about a 10% stop loss and looking to make upwards of 10, 20, 30, maybe even 50% plus of upside. Bulls are looking good. Chart is looking great. The only thing I'm concerned about here on the weekly is we haven't consolidated since 1937. So we have a higher low every candle for the last, looks like 7 weeks. So as soon as we lose the low of the previous weekly candle, weekly consolidation will be underway. And on the daily, we haven't consolidated on the daily now in 4 days. So we have a daily higher low at 25.41. That's the most important daily support, and then $25 psychological after that. We also have EMA 26 right there at 25, just above. So 25 should be a nice round psychological number as well. But like I said, close near the high of the day. Looks like it wants more. I set my stop under the low of the day today. Looking for more follow through into tomorrow. And the more traders that get wind of this may look to jump in tomorrow. So let's see if we can see it gap up tomorrow. We could be targeting on the weekly moving averages. We have the 100 weekly moving average sitting at 30.69, and $30 psychological could act as resistance. So let's see if we see a gap up tomorrow to around the $30 area. We're back above the 10-week moving average. The stochastic and the MACD are extremely bullish as well. But we pulled back here after busting above the 50 weekly moving average, topped out at the 200 weekly, came back down, confirmed support off the 50 weekly. Now we're back above the 200 weekly moving average, and we're heading up to the 100 weekly moving average, get above $30 and 30.69, then we have a lack of resistance, like I said, up to all-time highs. On the daily moving averages, MACD is extremely bullish, and we're well above the 50, 100, and the 200 DMA. Bulls are in full control. I'm liking what I'm seeing. On the hourly, we have no hourly support down to 27.42. We are hourly overbought, so we could potentially see hourly consolidation. Like I said, if we see a gap up tomorrow, I will look to exit my position and then possibly flip short. And like I said, just anticipate hourly higher lows. We're holding that EMA 12 on the hourly as well, that yellow lines. That's a nice visual guide into tomorrow. If we lose that, that'll be notable. But again, if we lose the low of the previous hourly candle, then it'll just be consolidating on the hourly, looking for a higher low compared to 27.42. But as long as we maintain the hourly uptrend, this daily bounce is underway. And as long as we do not lose the low of the previous daily candle. So congrats to the bulls. Let me know if you're swinging Air Canada overnight tonight. If you're bullish on the stock, maybe give me your price prediction for the next month or so. I think we could easily break $30 here based on the strength that we're seeing in a daily uptrend while SPY's in a daily downtrend. My only concern, like I said, is the weekly. We haven't consolidated on the weekly in quite some time, since down at 1937. Also, what happens if we see SPY consolidate, the S&P 500 consolidate tomorrow? It's entirely possible. So if we see weakness in the broader market, that could translate into weakness for AC as well. So no major red flags at this point. Bulls are in full control. We're in monthly uptrends. We're above the monthly EMAs. And excited to see what's in store for tomorrow. So once again, congrats to the Bulls. We're going to end it there. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth, and we'll see you again real soon. Take care, everybody.